Hi, if you're searching for the absolute best Hostinger discount code, look right here. Take a peek at the price first. I paste in my promo code, hit apply, and boom, I saved $50 just like that. Want to score the same deal? Simply click the link down in my video description. That link brings you right over here, where you'll find the freshest, working Hostinger coupon codes. Just click the copy button, and it'll take you straight to Hostinger's official site. Right now, Hostinger is running an awesome sale with up to 80% off their hosting plans. You can pick whatever option suits you best because my code works on all of them. For this quick demo, I'll go with the ultimate plan. I click Choose Plan, let it load for a second, then tap Have a coupon code. I paste the code, press enter, and the extra savings kick in immediately. Whether you're locking in a 12-month or a 24-month plan, this code has you covered for any time frame you choose. So, why go with Hostinger? It's easily one of the best hosting platforms around, blending top-tier performance with crazy good value. You get super fast site speeds powered by Lightspeed servers, rock-solid 99.9% uptime, a free domain name, and free SSL security. Plus, setting up your website is a breeze with their super user-friendly H-panel, automated daily backups, and handy AI site builder. To top it all off, it comes with a completely risk-free 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can test it out with total peace of mind.